Hello guys, I'm Atul and I am back with the same video I uploaded last time, but that was in English, and some of you guys asked me to make it in English only and not use Hindi. So in this I will just show you all the steps so that you can connect your OpenRouter account to your Cloud Code and use Cloud Code for free. So you'll come to OpenRouter.ai, go to explore models, go this Qwen 3.6 plus, and over here go to the quick start section, create your API key and just hit create, write some name like testing testing and just create the API key, and you'll have your API key. So just copy it down from here and then come to your AntiGravity, and in the AntiGravity you can open any project. Just ask it with this prompt, paste this prompt, and after this paste the API key that we just copied and hit enter. But before this you need to do one more step, and that is you need to hit Claude and then log out of here. After this just hit Claude again, dark mode. You don't want to use the API, we want to go to Anthropic console account, and from here we will authorize it with our Anthropic account, and it is asking for $5. We'll cross it, we'll go back, the login was successful, we'll hit enter again, and now we'll execute this prompt using AntiGravity. Now it will take a little bit amount of time, and we'll see what it actually needs to do. So let me tell you what it is doing. It is going to your Claude settings.json file and changing your base URL with the OpenRouter endpoint and your auth token with this auth token from OpenRouter, and also changing the model name so that you can use this exact model from OpenRouter. So we'll accept all the changes. Once it is done, we'll again come to Claude, we'll hit log out again, and now again we'll hit Claude, we'll click on enter. Now it is working, and we can say hi and see it is thinking something. It will just tell us, yeah, so hey, what can I help you with today? So this is the whole process by which you can connect your OpenRouter and Claude and use AI for intermediate level tasks, like you can create apps from it. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep building, keep breaking, keep learning, and keep debugging. Sayonara.